Next airdrop we're going to do is beer money. It's a pretty big airdrop actually. We're going to click on start. You just put a quick subscribe and a like to the video. We're going to start this off. This link should be down in the description box below. Right to this Telegram bot. So we're going to quickly join this group. We're going to go back to the beer money group. We just did the group. We're going to go do the Twitter account. It says follow. We're going to open that up and follow. Put a quick follow on that. We can click that down. Now we can go to their Facebook page. And wants a like on their Facebook page. So we'll put a like on their Facebook page as well here. Looks like they're actually pretty well set up. I thought it was a bit of a joke coin, but thought I'd take a look at it. Next, I want you to subscribe to the promoter's channel. It's optional. You can join that channel if you like. Then we'll go to the main menu here. Registration. We'll just type that in. Actually, I just want you to pick a picture of what that is. Now I want your email address. So just copy and paste your email address into there. Click on that. And next it's asking for a NEM wallet. If you don't have one, you can sign up right here. Just put in your public keys of your NEM wallet. Click next. Enter the Twitter link below. So just put your Twitter link in that you've signed up with. Click on there. Facebook profile link. And then copy and paste your link into there. Click this. And then just click on I've joined. And then you'll have your referral link. You can go to the main menu. You can copy your referral link if you want to get referrals. Check out your balance. $15 plus your referrals or whatever you get. And that's the end of this airdrop. Subscribe to the channel. Put a like on the video. We got a lot more coming up.